Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Give you a running video here of our Bronco. You can hear the fan working, horn works, blinker to the left, blinker to the right, wipers, dome light. The only thing, this door one doesn't work, so it doesn't turn on when the door opens. Oh, we better get a radio station. And hear the radio. Then we'll show you the lights. There you can see the compressor turning, headers. Good sounding exhaust. So I believe everything works on it except for this one door deal. There's your rear window. And I have new weather stripping coming for that. So. Any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.